Guardiandrainlock would like to present to you another product in our product line, the LockOut. The LockOut is designed for places that would like to keep odor and bugs out of their establishment, restaurant, building. Now keep in mind, when it comes to odor or bugs, the best way to stop that is, if you're inside, just fill the drain with water and the P-trap will fill up, and that will keep the bugs and the odor out. However, if you have a drain that just is inside a building and it keeps the odor keeps coming out or the bugs keep coming out, then more than likely your P-trap is broken. So that's a sidebar. But if you're outside, a lot of times they don't allow for P-traps and odors getting to your patios or somewhere that you just don't want the smell to be. That's where we came up with this product, the LockOut. What makes this so unique compared to the other products that are out there, a lot of times they just have inserts that go in here. And the inserts tend to get pushed down the drain, and then you have plastic down the drain, and it just makes it a nightmare for your plumber to pull out. So the LockOut, Guardiandrainlock LockOut, is all one piece. It's all one assembled piece that cannot fall down the drain. It's got a crimp bolt at the bottom, so therefore it just keeps it in. So when you pull out the drain, it pulls out the whole assembly. So here we have the way it works is that when water passes through the holes here, it travels down here, and then it goes right through this little flapper here, lets the water out, and then falls back into place. And that way it keeps the odors and the bugs out. Very hardy product, very sturdy, very stout. You won't find anything else like this on the market. It comes in Jern, Joseph, and Smith. Anything 5 inches or less. We don't carry the larger Grate at this time. So it just fits right into there. It keeps out your bugs and your odors. Visit our website at www.guardiandrainlock.com and you'll see this product as well as many others.